Okay, so during COVID, I was playing with a software called Logisim, which you can use logic gates to like build circuits and stuff. Um, I kind of forgot about it because like it was 2020, 5 years ago, until like on Monday I saw this thing called a barrel shifter, which you can like shift a series of bits by a number of bits, and it's gonna like wrap around and stuff. So for example, like if I put in like 0001 and shift it by like one, it's gonna be 0010. Okay, and it works based on like this thing called like multiplexers, and the multiplexer is basically just you have like a number of like inputs and a controller, and you can control which bit of the input to output. For example, I built one here, like that. So here's like 00, so only the first input works. If I do like 01, then only the second input works. All the other inputs are like irrelevant. And you can do it for this third bit, and so on. So only this one works, all the others doesn't work. So I made this into like its own like integrated circuit, and it's like used here. I actually tried to build another like barrel shifter here just now, this one, but it didn't work because I made some wiring mistakes. So I started it over, and now I think it works. Like you can shift it by one, two, and then like three. So yeah, and you can like do the second one or the third one together, and it's like it shifts like that, like that. So yeah, the shifting looks like it works. You see, and I can do like backwards, and yeah. So the barrel shifter, 4 bits, 4 bits barrel shifter. I just built one, and pretty cool. So I think it all works, and yeah.